Hi, this is Yuan from Minerva, France. A few days ago I've presented the PDX Export tool that we've made for Aras Innovator, but it was just doing one level under an item, under a part. So we worked on it to make sure that we were able to transfer a whole BOM to Aras Innovator. So I used the same assembly which was in design part, the XMR 001. So as you can see, there is no PDX file attached yet. So what we want to export is the whole BOM, the multi-level BOM. So with different levels. In the first version that I've shown, it was just sending these three elements. And for each level, for each item, you will see documents attached. So the new version we have here is a bit bigger. We added a button because in the previous version you had to double click on an item, which wasn't obvious if you are using it for the first time. So I enter my information. Look for databases, demo, and connect. So it lists all the items in the database. So I will look for XMR 001 and I click packages. So we may add also a progress bar to make sure that you understand that something is happening. So that would be another improvement. A change that you may have seen is that we moved from 0.1 to 0.7. It's not because we made so many changes, because the first, the next version we will deliver is 0.8 before we integrate it into Aras for the version 1. So we are working on a development version 0.7. So that's where we will add some new feature. So once your export is done, you get back to Aras Innovator, open your assembly, look for documents, and you should have a new document added here, PDX package. So you can open. So this is just a document, and inside the document you have a file attached, PDX file, with the major rev and a generation, and you can get copy. Okay, so my temporary file is there, so it's 3 megs. So I've shown in the first video, if you open the file, you will see that it's it's an archive with a PDX file and different documents. So we didn't have a lot of documents in this assembly. So, and if I open it with PDX Explorer, I can see now that I have many more items. So this is on one level. You can see that you list all your items, but they are in fact in BOMs. So this is due to the PDX format. For each item you can have attributes. So we added the Aras attributes. You have attachments. So if you have an image, it's just like we've shown before. And you've got a bit of material. So in this bill of material you have these 3 items. So here you have one. And so if you go in this one also will have a bit of material. So you have somehow you have all the BOM in this PDX file. You also have all the manufacturer that are related to parts, and you will have this manufacturer inside the BOM throughout the approved manufacturer list. So depending on what each item contains, you can have approved manufacturer list, you can have we almost all the time we attach additional attributes. You can have attachments. So that's the last changes we've made. I think it's getting very close to a nice product for everybody who was using this feature in another solution and who wants now to find again the same feature in Aras Innovator.